This is happy. This is happy.
Urawa. Urawa. Urawa is October. And that goes to another legend himself, Mr. Mahabub Flores.
Also happy. Also happy.
Yabura. Yabura, which is November. And that goes to the legendary Mr. T.B. Brown.
Dusu happy. Dusu happy.
Come to the end of the year, December. Yukumu Irumu. Yukumu Irumu. The legendary Titiman Flores.